Get ready for a deep dive into Dune Part 2. Who is the real Paul? I think this is a dynamic flowing between archetypes. Paul Atreides is the son of Leto. He's compassionate but strong. He is a combination of the warrior and the caregiver put together. And Leto is the balance, right? That's why he is the aspirational figure. So that is who Paul is as Paul Atreides. Then there's the name that he's given, Usul, which means strength at the base of the pillar. Shani, the Zendaya's character, that as they're forming a relationship, she wants to call him Usul. And I think this speaks to his lover archetype. You're willing to lay down your life, right? And I think Shani is the embodiment of that. But then he's also takes this other name, which is Muad'Dib. And that's the small desert mouse. It could take what it's given and use it to stay alive. Self-preservation. That's the seeker. The seeker is constantly looking for that which is going to aid them on the journey. Then he's also the Mahdi. He's the one who will lead us to paradise. That word means deliverer. This is the ruler archetype, and this is who he will become by the end of the film. But then he's also the Lisan al-Gaib, right? He's the voice from the outer world. He's the revolutionary. He's the one who brings a change to the Fremen way of life. But he's also...
Quizaz Hadrak.
Thank you. That identity, that's the male Bene Gesserit. And that's the magician. That's when he has the vision in part 1. And that's when he, with the spice, it awakens the magician archetype in him.
He's also the Baron's grandson. Spoiler.
Yes, exactly,
That
right?
was crazy.
So
So he's
Paul-
Harkonnen and Atreides and Fremen.
And Bene Gesserit.
Yeah.
He is the archetypes. He is a clash, a contradiction of archetypes. He is trying to be everything to everybody, and he is trying to live all possible stories at once. And so it's no wonder he is deemed as the Messiah, because only Christ can do that.